My name is Ricardo Mejia.
My name is Ross.
My name is Savon Johnson.
My name is Colton Loomis.
My name is Steven. I'm from Temecula, California.
What brought me out to the class is, just being tired of the 9 to 5, working for somebody else. Do more for yourself, an entrepreneur, be your own boss, say when, what, and how. I heard through my brother-in-law, word of mouth, and I decided to try it on, looked online, and I saw great reviews. Why not give it a try?
I found out about Chemical Guys by just being on social media. Also, whenever I saw a job posting for Detail Garage, I went ahead and was like, oh, I'm familiar with some of this stuff, so let me go ahead and apply and see what happens.
I actually was part of a car club that went to a lot of car meets out to Chemical Guys location in Murrieta. So got to know them pretty well, so I used some products, started detailing cars, so it's pretty cool.
Learning how to use the equipment, how to polish and detail correctly, learning the Chemical Guys way. I really want to learn how to do the whole process, not just the washing and drying aspect of it, learn how to do it from the clay bar down to the polishing, down to the glazes and the sealants and everything that's involved.
Oh, I'm very excited. I'm excited for the class that we're in right now to go ahead and, learn things because I'm new to Detail Garage. I'm new to detailing in general. So I just want to just take in all the information I can so that way I can apply it to when we open up the store.
Whole week. I loved it. It was really a lot of insight, a lot of information, and it's very useful, and I really enjoyed being able to use the rotaries and the dual actions and learning what they do. It's really great.
It's been great. It's been satisfying, honestly, to learn a new trade. It is a little bit of a intensive course, a lot of hands-on, which is great. First day, they teach you a lot of business, how to market yourself and brand yourself, and talk to customers. Communication is key, but it's been a great class.
I think it's interesting, and I like the tools they used that I've never used before.
I liked it. I liked learning how to use all the products, seeing that the chemicals actually do work, and how the paint responds to it, how the car responds to it, how to learn all the use the different machines. So that was really cool for the whole week.
It was an awesome experience. Like I learned a lot of new stuff. Didn't know anything about detailing. Fairly new to the detailing space. So learning a lot is something that I can go ahead and translate to when I leave here and go back to Texas.
Honestly, it was really great. Learned a bunch of stuff. I've been detailing for a while, and I didn't think I could learn more, but I definitely did. Rotaries, I never thought of using a rotary, but they explained it's quicker, it's a process. As long as you know what you're doing and you're cautious, you can get your work done a lot quicker.
The biggest thing was the correct process to polishing and to actually using the cutting compounds and fixing the scratches and swirls in the paint. I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to learn about detailing, even starting their own business. It's invaluable information.
Absolutely. If you're interested in detailing, just go for it. Purchase products, get into that point system, however you want. I mean, they make it real easy for you to join and learn.
Yeah, if you want to start your mobile detailing business, not even mobile detailing, just a detailing business in general. I mean, Chad over here, he's really smart. He knows his stuff, and he has a lot of experience. So him teaching us that can definitely, be a success for business.
I'd recommend it to everybody, anybody. Someone who's looking for something different, someone who's kind of lost their way. That was me. That's why I was here. I want to work for myself. I'm tired of working for people telling me what time to go to work, what time to get off of work, how much I should be paid, and I'm not being valued. So I want to value myself. I want to tell my prices. What's my price for an hour? I can set my own schedule. So I would definitely recommend this as a different way to make some income and little by little build yourself and build a business.
Eventually, I want to open up a shop and detail them on my own, make cars look as great as they did, even better than the dealership.
My goal is just to take this knowledge and put it towards my business and just to grow from there.